How to download WhatsApp on your iPad. On my iPad, I don't really have WhatsApp. So even if I go to my app library and type in WhatsApp, you can see nothing is popping up. So I don't have it. So how do you download it? To download it, you just need to go to App Store to access App Store if you have it on your home page, in your app library, or you can just search for it, right? So let's go to App Store, and once you're here, you can see we have multiple options on top. So possibly it could show up in your suggested or your applications. So as you can see, it could show up over here, but if not, you can just hit the search icon, type in WhatsApp. As you can see, we have WhatsApp, and we also have Messenger Duo for WhatsApp. That is something we don't want. That is a client application, that is not an original WhatsApp application. So we want WhatsApp Messenger, and then we can download it. So the other application was just allowing you to have two WhatsApp accounts on the same iPad. I would suggest not to go with it because, well, security will breach. So as you can see, we've downloaded it. We can open it. So sometimes it may just take you to the home page. As you can see, even on the home page, it has downloaded itself. So I have downloaded WhatsApp. To continue, I can just log in to WhatsApp by using my phone and scanning this QR code as you would with your WhatsApp web. And that is about it. You don't need to do much. So hopefully this video has been helpful to you guys. If it has been, do make sure to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.